Hey you guys, I'm doing something a little bit different this time. I'm following my buddy Teal, and he's looking at Insurgency and seeing how it runs on Linux. We're going to be doing the same. So this is Insurgency Sandstorm. Let me go to the training range. Practice range? Yeah, let's go to the practice range. And this is where I will tell you about my setup, and then we'll drop into a match or something. I have to remember how to play is the thing. I'm trying to drop in, and I don't remember how. Like, we're already off to a bad start. F1.
Closing in on him.
Oh my gosh, that's loud.
Fuck out.
Gotta turn that down on my end. Okay. I mean, it's it's still pretty loud. This game is just like a loud game. Turn it down to like 50, 60 maybe. How's that? I'm gonna hate me in editing for that, because the first part of this is gonna be really loud, and the second part. Oh well, I do stuff like that. So this is Insurgency Sandstorm. I don't remember if I'm gonna go with it's not a native Linux game. I should know. I should have checked. I have some other stats. This is double XP weekend. And this is running, I'm running Debian 12, Debian testing, but I call it Debian 12 because I'm going to switch to Debian 12 once it releases. And I should know what the release date is. Boy, I'm unprepared for this, huh? Well, let's just drop into an actual game. We're going to do co-op because I am no good. And do I have this set up? Yeah, I only like playing Outpost. And I'm going to do my absolute best on this one, considering it's a night map. How many points do I have? I have nothing. Yeah, so this is it. Oh, man. This already doesn't look familiar. Oh, this has happened to Teal, too. Yeah, this happened to Teal. It locked up right when he dropped in. I thought it locked up for a second. That's just something, if you're not acquainted with Linux, that's just... Are we good to go?
Ready.
Ready! No, that is something that... I mean, I haven't gamed on Windows in a long time, so maybe it's a Windows thing too, but sometimes in
Good to go.
this day and age, you just have to expect games to lock up on you. I always forget I can edit this stuff out. I'm trying to get better at editing. Whoa, what are you doing? Oh, that's not crouch. Control this crouch.
All right, I'm going.
I don't know where to go. I'm not familiar with this at all. It looks cool. I'm into it. Oh, crap. I know there's people behind me. This is a disaster. I was not expecting... I am lucky. I'm a lucky boy. Wow. Oh dear. That's me. Alright, we lost that. Hopefully we won't lose this one. This one isn't quite as hard. Isn't there a version of this where it's not pitch black? This looks familiar.
Yeah, good to go.
'Cause these are stairs, right? Elevator. Oh well. I'll try not to complain too much. Oh, I didn't change my loadout. Ow. Do I have time? Change loadout. Yes. I'd like to get the big boy. Oh no. Wait, we didn't get any points because we didn't win.
Okay, let me load.
Whatever. We're fine. We're good. We're good. Maybe we can do it this time. Where did I leave off in the training range, in the practice range? I was on Debian 12, Debian testing, and this is my Asus laptop. It's running a Ryzen 4800H, and the GPU is an RTX 3060. How's that? Did I get it all right? What is going on here? What in the hell? What just happened? I incorrectly assumed we were being covered from flankers. This is a disaster. I already said that, but I'll say it again. I'll be the one covering the rear. God, nobody's looking back here. Keep hitting C to crouch. You know, sometimes I play these games and I wonder what I would like, how I would do in situations like this, and I think I'd be exactly like this. I'd be completely unaware of my surroundings, just looking around, looking for movement. I'd most certainly shoot my own guys. Occasionally I would have sparks where I would be like, oh look, there's a person! Okay, that was fine. This may not be. Yeah, I don't think I would be good at this in real life at all. I'm not good at this in the game. Like, we're playing a game and oh, what? I almost fell. Ashes to Ashes, I swear I've played with him before.
I need a sec.
Oh yeah, right on.
Fuck yeah, here we go.
Yeah, what he said. Oh my God, we're defending another way. Oh, it's one of these ones. What the hell? I don't know what I'm thinking. Hey, you know what? It's early in the morning, and I don't know what's going on. Just ignore me. I'm barely hanging on.
Yeah, good to go. Okay, let's do it.
Yeah, this is better.
Okay.
I actually really like the M16 as far as guns go. I like G36. I love the FAMAS.
Okay, let's do it.
But I mean, you gotta love the M16.
Yeah, good to go.
Modular. Like this version is. The one I was just using was like the A1 or A2, right? That's not modular. Ashes to Ashes down there.
Throwing frap.
Where do they come from back here? Probably both sides, huh? Anybody? That's the elevator. Hello. Where? So I guess. Damn it. Oh, Jesus. We're good. We good. This is a horror game. With jump scares.
Cover me. Flank.
Where the hell are they? This is a really good spot. He must have got rushed. I'd kind of prefer to... Okay, I'm dead. I don't know how we pulled that off. I don't even remember what I was saying. I was watching the person hold him off and they managed to do it. Okay, so somebody's got NVs. Yeah, I can go NVs with B, huh? Okay, so if I do that, then I want to take my flashlight off, right? So pop that off and do quick draw. Like, I don't... Oh, extended mag. There you go. Yeah. Okay, so I put NVs on with B. Okay. I mean, yeah, it's better. I can more quickly look through here. This is good. Was I saying anything important? I think I got all this stuff. So this is double XP weekend, coincidentally. I was looking at World War II games. And granted, this is not a World War II game. It is at least a war game for May. And this weekend is double XP weekend because Memorial Day weekend in the States. And yeah. Not that you need a reason to play solid games like these if this is your style. What is that? Is that a drone? If that's a drone and that's just something that happens in this game, forgive me, I'm not super up to speed on this game. There's got to be drones. Like, what else would it be? I don't know how I feel about the NVs. Like, they're better, but think my eyes just aren't tuned to them. I don't really know what I'm looking for. Damn it. My tracking could be better, huh? We got this. Are we getting flanked? Oh shit. Somewhat. Shit, dude. God, he ran right in front of me, didn't he? That wasn't me, right? Okay. Oh God. Oh, we got it, we got it, we got it. Dude. That was good, that was good. Okay. What are we gonna do? What should we upgrade? I like my gun. Maybe ammo? Not ammo. Well, yeah, ammo carrier. Oh, I was thinking armor. I'm gonna go armor and ammo. Maybe a grenade. I don't know. You guys tell me if this is a good setup. I have no idea. I guess probably a good setup is whatever's, like whatever you're effective with is, right? With is? What? I don't know what I just said. I don't know what's going on. I don't know how we're still alive. Is this going to be it? Is this what you're going to see for like the rest of the video? Is just this thing over and over again? I don't want the responsibility of being down here. I'm going to die. I'm not good at this. That was just a coincidence. This game gives me... Oh shit, what is happening? I mean, yeah, I could lay down. Oh! Get your ass down. I don't know why you got up. MG3. This is a little bit cheesy, isn't it? This feels... Oh, dude, I'm running out of ammo sitting here. I have an extended mag, though. As long as they keep... Oh, what is happening? As long as they keep coming from in front of me, and I don't run out of ammo sitting here, I'll be okay. With a sniper rifle? What are you doing? Oh, shit! I did it again. Shit, that guy. Okay, he's watching me. Man, I don't handle stress well. Fuck, fire, what are you doing? Oh, he's got a rocket launcher. Okay. I gotta conserve my ammo and put too many rounds into him. I'm not gonna try to hit that guy. They have better advantage over him anyway. What are you doing, dude? Oh, is he taking one of their guns? Oh, I'm dead. Oh, we won though. Yes. Okay, what? I have no idea what I should do. I don't want to change my gun. It's too good. Yeah, we'll go with the M9 because I'm a terrible shot. Oh, okay. Yeah, the M9's fine. I was gonna give it an extended mag. That way, I had more wiggle room. When I'm just popping off. Alright. How far in are we? Did I ask that last time? I think I did. 16 minutes in. I think the first couple minutes of that was just nothing, though. Just me faffing about. That's a good gun, actually, that QBZ. It's a pretty good one. What are you doing here? It'd be better is if I got over on this side, huh? Wait, why are we doing this? Okay. I don't think I'm going to be as lucky this time. They're already shooting. I need to change my fire mode. Maybe burst fire would be better. Oh man, they're popping off. This is kind of lame. I'm I'm gonna get rightfully killed just laying there trying to ambush him. I'll drop down if I need to. Wait, I need a new mag? Who said that? It sounded like my voice. That sounded like... Oh no, we just lost one. He's gone. I think he's gone. He's gone. He's gone. I got an itch. I feel like I'm really fighting with my mouse here. Flaccid paralysis, what is that? I don't know if you guys can see that. I just got a Steam achievement. Flaccid paralysis. Did I do something stupid? Flaccid's not usually a nice term. Ooh, I'm getting sniped. Oh! Oh, shoot. I can't see. Yeah, I'm getting sniped like really bad. No, I'm dead. Oh, that fire. We pulled it off again somehow. Alright, let's mix it up. We're doing pretty good. I'm going to switch up my gun. You want to go UG? We go G3. Let's go G36. Give it an extended mag because I'm a terrible shot. And some kind of sights. I'm not very good with these sights. Oh, here you go. We could just go OG. OG G36. That's what I was using at the beginning. But I don't think he's... actually, I was using a different... whatever. Let's see how the G36 does. Let's go someplace else. Give you some variety.
All right, I'm good.
Do we get... I don't know if we actually get flanked from back here. It seems like everybody attacks from the front. It's so cool. Iron sights up there.
Get down on the ground. Hey, knock them off.
Isn't there like a bench that I can sit on? We're gonna get flanked and we're all gonna die like immediately, huh? Oh man, the muzzle flash is bad. Oh, it makes us hard to fuse. But all the insurgency vets are like, yeah? I'm like, dude, I don't know. What a disaster. This isn't good at all. I wouldn't be any good for long-range engagements if I didn't have it, though, right? Like the NVs, I mean. Me too. Oh, I'm out, too. What is that? Shit. Where'd that come from? Oh. Anybody? I keep stumbling on the damn furniture. I'm gonna fall in front of somebody and get shot. Hey, 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 hey. Where the hell is everybody? I think we're gonna hold them off again. Light. Okay, cool. So we did it. I think we're gonna... I think this is... Oh, this is wave 7 out of 7. I was gonna say, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here, but... Let me put a flash suppressor on this. Flash hider. Or a full-blown suppressor. Yeah, let's do that. We still have 2 points. Maybe we should go G3. Nah, let's stick with the OG. Old school. And I have two more things. Let's not get ballsy. I think we can do this. This game is so cool. You can see it runs pretty darn good. I don't think it's native, but it could very well be. I think the original Insurgency, like pre-Sandstorm, was. That was Linux native, but this is through Wine. Well, it says DXVK up there, right? So, I guess that tells you it's not native. It's not perfect, but it'll do. When I was doing a test recording, making sure I had my everything set up right, I was getting really bad frame rates. Oh shit, we're being flanked bad. But yeah, I was getting really super bad frame rates, and I was a little worried. But it seems okay now. I did a restart, and my frames evened out, so I don't know if there's like a process running in the background. Shit. Man. No! No! Damn it, that sucked. Alright, Ashes and Ashes did not pick it up. He did his absolute best. It was so good. But he was not able to clean up. But that's okay. We'll move on to the next thing. And let's grab the old M4. Actually, the VHS. How much time do I have? I think I'm screwing around here. Optics. Oh, let's try the iron sight. I don't know much about this gun. Give it a laser sight. I don't remember how to pop that on though. H. All right, let's go.
Good to go. Okay, let's do it.
Yeah, VHS. I saw this pop up on Reddit one time and I thought it was awesome looking. Ooh, I like this one. This is a fun layout. I hope we pull it off. I hope that we manage to beat this. Where's everybody setting up at? Oh shit, they're attacking already. Dude, they're open. I'm not cut out for this. These iron sights leave something to be desired, not gonna lie. Dude, I'm gonna die immediately. Holy hell. Oh! Oh my god. Oh shit, that's our guy. I'm backing up into him. I feel so bad. He's probably like, dude, this fucking guy. Wow, this gun feels awesome. It handles really well. I wish I had a scope or something though. Like that, honestly, the iron sights are okay. I can't tell what the hell I'm shooting at. This thing has like no recoil. Like they're so big. Yeah, forget it. I'm hip firing from now on. I can't see what I'm shooting at when I'm looking down the iron sights. Cannot believe I'm not dead. They're shooting this area up. Oh, what happened? Everybody okay? Oh man, the recoil is so... Oh shit. Why am I the last person? Oh, and that's it. We lost. Damn. Figures I'm the last guy, really? Well, that was fun. You know what? Weapon of choice, I should have stuck with the M16. I was kicking butt and it all fell down. Dome destroyer? Yeah, look at that. Ashes to Ashes just like swept it. He swept up the ashes. Or they did. Well, cool. This was fun. I'm glad that I played and I hope that you liked it. So that is how Insurgency Sandstorm? No. Insurgency Sandstorm runs on Debian testing, soon to be Debian 12 Linux, Ryzen 48H, and a Nvidia RTX 3060. It's going to wrap it up, folks. Thank you for watching and all of that jazz. See you next time. Bye-bye.